If you want to delete your Lucidchart account, there are a few important things you should know before you start. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, including how to back up your work, cancel a paid subscription if you have one, and permanently delete your account safely. Since this action is permanent, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure you've saved anything you want to keep first. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful software guides. Let's get into it. First, before deleting anything, back up your data. If you have diagrams, folders, boards, or any important Lucidchart files that you might need later, download or export them now. Once the account is deleted, you may not be able to recover that content, so this step is really important. Take a minute to go through your workspace and make sure everything valuable is saved somewhere else. Next, if you have a paid Lucidchart plan, you need to cancel the subscription before deleting the account. To do that, go to your Lucid dashboard and look for your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click it, then select Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, find the Plans and Billing tab. On that page, look for the three dots next to your current plan. Click those dots and follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. Make sure the cancellation is completed before moving on. Once your subscription is taken care of, stay in Account Settings and look at the left-hand menu. From there, select User Settings. This is where Lucidchart keeps the account deletion option. When the User Settings page opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the bottom, you should see a Delete Account button. Click Delete Account when you're ready. Lucidchart will usually ask you to confirm this action because account deletion is permanent. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and review any warning messages that appear. This step is designed to make sure you understand that your personal data and account will be permanently removed. After you confirm, Lucidchart will process the deletion request. Depending on the system, it may take a moment for the account removal to go through. Once it's finished, your Lucidchart account should be deleted and you won't be able to use it anymore unless you create a new one in the future. And that's it. You've now seen how to delete your Lucidchart account the right way, starting with backing up your files, cancelling your plan if needed, and then removing the account from user settings. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.